number name 64241900 in Maple Management Faculties Economy and Business. In classroom 9412A25. In presentation with marketing strategy investment with JBL Tour Pro 3. Premium wireless earbuds for the modern audiophiles. Created by Muhammad Ali Hussein, Marketing Manager. JBL Tour Pro 3 key feature. Premium sound with JBL signature audio, adaptive noise cancellation, long battery life up to 50 hours, smart charging case with display, voice hours and hand-free voice control, sleek modern design with metallic finish, competitive landscape, brand Apple, model iPod Pro 2, price $1,079, feature seamless iOS integration, brand Sony Wi-Fi 1000 XM4, price $1,089, feature Hearers Audio Compact, JBL brand JBL, model Tour Pro 3, price $2,004, feature display case, long battery, differentiator, smart case, battery, and premium JBL tuning. Challenge identifies 1. High price point, perceived as expensive in comparison. 2. Large design, not as compact, affects portability. Strategy solution for fresh bundle offers with JBL portable speaker hour charging case, 0% installments plans or trade-in program, limited edition release with exclusive perks. For designs, high-class design as a bold fashion taste piece, partner with influencer and athletes to position it as premium and powerful. Target audience: premier audiophiles and taste enthusiasts 25 and 45 years old, professionals working remotely, fitness and travel enthusiasts, secondary student and content creator looking for quality. marketing strategy, digital campaigns, YouTube, Spotify, Instagram Reels, influencer partnership, unboxings, compressions, retail experience, zones, in-store, testing for sound quality and features, PR and launch events, focus on products, innovation and smart designs. Closing and call to action, Gibraltar Pro 3 is more than just an earbuds. It is a lifestyle device built for the premium audio generation. Join us redefining wireless sound lifestyle investment. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.